Well, hello again, my equestrian friends. It's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to another video. And I am so excited for the video that I made for you guys today. So excited. I have been waiting for over a month now to make this video. And that's because I wasn't allowing myself to open this package from Just Riding until I completed my 30-day August Real Riding Challenge, which was basically just a personal challenge for myself to get out and work with my horses more. And now it is September 1st, so that means I get to open this, and I'm gonna open it right now. Super excited about this. Now, I bought this package back in August for my reward for doing my challenge for riding or working with my horses. You guys already know that. But what you may not know is where I got this from. So I got this from a company called Just Riding, and they have different mystery boxes that you can buy, and the price points are $50, $100, and $200. And since I was doing this challenge for 30 days, I decided to go big, and I bought the most expensive mystery box there was. So this was $200. It's a little bit expensive, but Just Riding has really top of the line products. So that's why I was hoping this will have top of the line products inside. All right, so I'm done going on and carrying on. I want to open this, so let's do that. So inside the package is another package. Let's see what's inside. There's some neat stuff in here. So the first thing I pull out of the package is a hat. That is really nice. That is an EQUINE hat. And it has like a mesh lining on the inside. That's pretty fancy. I don't know, I might get white dirty, but I really like that. Very cool. Oh, and this is so pretty. This is a sweater. It's by Montar. It's gray. I like gray, and on the front of it, it says House of Montar. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a little patch. That's really pretty, and it's really soft. Very nice. Oh, these are fancy. This is a pair of Animo socks, and it has little rhinestones for the name Animo. I hope I'm saying that right. And it says these are the full optional socks. Anti-odor, hypoallergenic, anti-static socks, always dry and super comfortable. 100% microfiber, and these are made in Italy. So I don't think I've ever had a pair of socks that were made in Italy. I have Italian socks now. Those are so soft. Very nice. I can't wait to try those on. And something else from the House of Montar. This is a zip jersey. Oh, how cool is that? Look at that. That is awesome and will be perfect for hopefully the cooler days of fall. I hope it's going to get cooler so I can wear this for riding. And it even says on the sleeve, House of Montar. And it's really nice and soft on the inside. So I'm really liking that. Very cool. Very, very nice. Oh, cool. I got a pair of blinkers that go on the sides of the bridle. This is awesome. I already have one pair of these and I really like them. They seem to work well for Frisbee. They're by Dion, and that's the same brand that I have. I know there's other brands that are making these too, but I already know how to use these because I've already got them. So you basically just attach them to your bridle up on the sides of the headstall, and then it makes it so that it's kind of like a blinder for your horse so he's not preoccupied with stuff going on around him. Those are really nice. I'm so happy to get another pair of those. And it just keeps going and going. So this is the last thing that I got in my mystery box, and it's by EQUINE. So I know that's really nice. EQUINE is really expensive. really good horse stuff. Oh, this is cool. This is a Lycra protective under rug, and it's humongous, so it'll fit Frisbee. So you put this on your horse to protect them from the blanket rubbing them. Another perfect thing to have for fall and winter. So that is pretty fancy. And it's Lycra, it's really stretchy and really soft. So hopefully that fits Frisbee. I'm sure it will. It's a large, it'll fit Frisbee. So now Frisbee has underwear to wear just like Ethan does underneath his blanket. Very cool. So I got 6 really nice items in my mystery box from Just Riding, and I'm really happy with the things I got. That's really cool. I've been a little nervous because the package wasn't very big, but sometimes good things do come in small packages. So I'm really happy with everything I got. And that was a really great way for me to keep up my motivation while I was doing this little personal challenge. So if you would like to learn more about Just Riding, I'll leave a link down in the description box below. You can go check them out, see what they have, and maybe get your own mystery box. Maybe you can get some really cool stuff like I did. It's pretty neat. Pretty happy about that. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch all my other horse-related DIY projects, product reviews, and just horse videos. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I gotta go try on all my stuff. I'm so excited. Super excited. Hopefully it gets a little cooler so I can wear all this stuff.